Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. As Sikh Americans, we feel proud to call America our home. It is a land of laws and individual rights. SALDEF is sharing information on how you can prepare yourself and your family members to respectfully and safely interact with law enforcement officers. This video also contains information and guidance for Gurdwara management committees to take steps to increase the safety of their Gurdwara building property and the safety of their Sangat. You can skip ahead in this video to learn more about the Gurdwara safety recommendation. Please note that this information is not intended as legal advice. If you need specific and immediate legal aid, please contact SALDEF and visit our website for additional resources. As communities in several states are seeing increased immigration enforcement across the United States, SALDEF is providing the guidance to make sure you know your rights and can prepare yourself and your family members in case of an instance of enforcement. SALDEF believes our Sangats should feel safe, not targeted. Here's what you should know. First and foremost, you have the right to remain silent. Please be aware of your surroundings and speak to your family, especially children and elders, to make sure you do not open the door for people you do not recognize. You are not required to speak to a law enforcement agent or show your immigration documents. From behind a closed door or through a window, ask to see identification before engaging with law enforcement. You can say the following: "Please show me your ID so that I know you are law enforcement." If a law enforcement officer refuses to show their identification, you do not have to engage with them, and you do not have to open the door. You should ask them to leave. Only after you have confirmed the officers are law enforcement, respectfully ask if they have a judicial warrant. Ask them to slide the judicial warrant under the door or through the window. Confirm that the judicial warrant lists a date that is valid, lists your address, and lists the name of someone who resides at the address. Only after you have confirmed the validity of the judicial warrant should you open the door. Please note that under certain circumstances, enforcement agents may forcibly enter a home using an administrative warrant instead of a judicial warrant. Stay calm. Do not run. You have the right to remain silent and to speak with a lawyer. U.S. citizens are not required to carry proof of their U.S. citizenship. If you are not a U.S. citizen, you should carry your green card, work permit, or other immigration documents. If you do not have status in the U.S., proof of residency is helpful. For example, a utility bill that is in your name. Never carry fake documents. If you are arrested or detained, it is important to create a folder of your official documents with copies so that your family and friends can help you. Keep it at home in a safe place. The folder should include birth certificates, passports, and copies of immigration paperwork, including your A number and other ID. Create a list of important phone numbers of people you trust, like family and friends, who can call your immigration attorney for you. Please keep the attorney's card in your folder. If you have any active medications, keep a list in case of an emergency. SALDEF recommends every family keep a safety binder in a known, accessible location. Emergency contacts: names and numbers of a designated safe house host, ideally a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. A child care plan: signed caregiver's authorization affidavit, giving a trusted adult temporary rights for school and medical decisions. Document copies: passports, birth certificates, and A numbers. And medical information: a list of active medications, dosages, and doctor contact information. To authorize a designated agent to act on your behalf regarding specific financial or medical needs, consider a limited power of attorney. In the key clause, I, or your name, hereby appoint the agent to manage my bank account and access my medical records only in the event of my detention or inability to act. SALDEF can provide these templates in Punjabi to ensure clarity for all family members. A safe house is a pre-arranged location, not the family home, where family members, especially children, know to go if their primary residence is subject to an enforcement action. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Following the elimination of the Protected Areas Policy in January 2025, Gurdwaras no longer have special administrative immunity from ICE enforcement. Our Sangat should be prepared. Knowledge of your rights is our shield. SALDEF strongly recommends Gurdwara committees take these 4 steps now. Designate private spaces. Use large, clear signage to mark the Divan Hall, Langar Hall, offices, and residence areas as private, no public access. Law enforcement agents or officers need a judicial warrant signed by a judge to enter these areas. Point of contact. Authorize only 2 to 3 designated sevadars who are capable of communicating with the authorities comfortably to interact with law enforcement agents or officers. All other Sangat members are advised to remain silent. Legal counsel. Retain a qualified attorney located near the Gurdwara who can arrive there on short notice. Ensure all Gurdwara community members have the attorney's contact information saved. Housing. If possible, arrange for visiting Ragis, resident Granthi Singhs, and other Gurdwara employees to stay in off-property accommodations to minimize their vulnerability. Paperwork. Ensure all paperwork is in order for all employees of the Gurdwara and is available at the Gurdwara.